Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Praise Allah and to our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Today I just wanna show you uh, designing about edsa uh, secret the place for edsa. So first of all, we want to introduce ourselves that we came from Universitas Jabal Gafur, Sikli Negro Aceh Darussalam, Indonesia. In English, might say Jabal Gafur University, or some name is well known. We call us Uniga Sigli. So we are on behalf of EDSA, English Department Student Association. We have our own logo: think globally, act locally. Uniga, this is the long term of Universitas Jabal Gafur, or Jabal Gafur University. And I'm at Academic Affairs President. I just want to give my opinions regarding about the place of secret of this is something inside of the office, I say like that, of outside. So I just give an opinion to the Mr. President and also to his members to design something like this. Okay, let us start with the start for the first one. Let us make it. All right. Okay, bit closely, something like that. Okay, we start from the first one. We call it here this entrance doors. So when we try to enter the doors, so we can find this several chairs here, and also the desk here. And this is consists of several computers and this so notebook. All right. So the philosophy or the point where I want to show it here is when the guests come in here, and then this the chair especially for the guests, and there's several of what we say that the president, not the president of EDSA, so what does it mean, the chief of several department, for example, like academic affair department, and we sit it here, and then also religious department, and also religious affair, academic affair, and also human affair, and some else, okay? And then the girls of this come here and they sit in here and then they speak up and then they give their own opinion, whatever is it. And when we come to the second room, this will be the meeting room. Okay. All right. I forgot to explain it here. This can be of flowers and also this board of any announcements. This one can be the windows, and this can enter to the second room. This one can be the doors, and this can be meeting room, and it's windows. There's the chair to sit, waiting room. It's here. This is we say the second room, and then this the final one. This is the doors, and this one we call the third room, especially for the here. Um, this can be secretary room, and this will be for the president of EDSA, Mr. Vidaus. So he has his owned desk and also the chairs. And so this I would say um, cupboard. And this one is what we said about room for praying. This for imam and this for ma'mum. This and then it is outdoor here, this side, and this door can be we can out to take the wudu here, and this windows. And this is especially for the secretary. And when the guests want to meet the Mr. President, they will come for the first door in the center, I guess after guest report, and then one of members here just please the guest to sit it here to wait for a few minutes, and then he just report to the secretary, and secretary just gives information to the president. I think this is the place where it should be performed, or this should be arranged by the edsa and members. Thank you for your attention, and especially for YouTube. Uh, Thank you very much to publish my video. So thank you, and I close with Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for watching.